Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your iPhone volume button is not working. This problem occurs on iPhone sometimes, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the easy fix for it. But before that, if you're new to YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for future videos. Now let's back to the video. The first method is simple. Just click on the power and a volume up button until this menu pop up. You do not click on slide to power up. You do not click on to SOS emergency call. Just click on cancel. Type your password here and you are good to go and your problem will be fixed. This method working for all iPhones. But if this method not works for you, just go to settings. Go down here, click on journal. Go down here and search for transfer or reset iPhone. Click on this and then click on reset, and at the top you will see reset all setting. Just click on this and your problem will be fixed. But the first method is working for almost all iPhones. Just follow the first method and you are good to go. And for more videos, tips and tricks, subscribe to Solutions Nerds. And if you have any question, just comment down in the comment section, and thanks for watching.